Afternoon folks, Stevie here. Today I'm going to be tying the wee traditional fly, the Blae Black. It's the first fly I'd normally use in the spring for brown trout, so I thought I might as well share it on YouTube. I'm sure you've all seen them all before, right enough, but I'll show you how I do it. In the vise I've got a size 12 Fario wetfly hook, barbless black nickel. Normally I'd fish these 2 14s and a 12 in the tail, so I think I used to use three of these at one time. The thread I'll be using is UTC 70 black, so I'll run a bed of thread down the hook. Just take this down to where the barb would normally be. Stop there, cut off the waist, and for the tail we're using golden pheasant tippets. So take 4 or 5 fibres from here, and just tie them into the black bit in the middle, and for the rib I'm using silver fine wire. So just take this up the body. You can actually dub seals for, or you can dub a body on this, but my preferred Blae Black is actually the thread body. It's a fly I've been using for years. I just bring the rib up 3 or 4 turns. And just wiggle it off. And for the hackle I'm using a black hen. And just tie this in at the tip. Just cut off the end, tie it in, and get your hackle pliers. What you're looking for here is maybe 2 turns. So just drawing the fibres back. Should do it there, turn and a half. This was always the first fly I would go for in my box up in the club waters there, round about Renfrewshire. And for the wing we're using Mallard duck, the Blae wings from the flight feathers, a left and a right. I've already cut the pairs off. So my fingers on top of the hook, just balancing the inside one to you. The length of the wing should be about the length of the hook. So that's a 2 paired up, pinch and loop. Just check it, that's fine. And cut off the waist. Need sharp scissors for that. And just build up a little head. Then whip finish. Yeah, just a bit of varnish. Not too much. There you go guys, so that's the Blae Black, just the thread body. It's an absolutely cracking fly for the start of the season in any brown trout water. So I hope you enjoyed that guys, and remember to subscribe and hit the button. Cheers, thanks, and I'll catch you on the next one.